What a beautiful place to build a colony. I wish I could have seen more of this planet.
There's still time.
That is a nice thought, but no.
Blue Diamond, leave this planet! This colony will not be completed!
It's the rebels!
Who are you? Show yourself! We are the Crystal Gems!
The attack was right on schedule.
Thank you, Ruby. You did your best.
Ruby suddenly realized what Sapphire meant. She had known that Ruby would fail. Sapphire had accepted it. But Ruby could not. What? What is this?
Wait. This is... Let's go.
Bye!
Is this?